Hi friends, welcome to our channel Study of Mathematics. Exercise 3b. Problem number 1. Find the sum of the squares of the intercepts of the line 4x minus 3y equal to 12 on the axis of coordinates. This is our given problem. In this problem, we have to sum of squares of the intercepts of the given straight line equation. For that, we have to convert the given straight line equation into intercept form. Now, we will solve the problem. Solution. Given straight line equation is 4x minus 3y equal to 12. Equation number 1. Now we have to reduce equation number 1 into intercept form. That is 1 implies 4x minus 3y equal to 12. For transform intercept form, then we will divide the above equation with constant term, that is 12. Divide above equation with 12 on both sides. Then 4x by 12 minus 3y by 12 equal to 1. After simplification, x by 3 minus y by 4 equal to 1. From this, x by 3 plus y by minus 4 equal to 1. This is equation number 2. Equation 2 is the intercept form of equation 1 with x-intercept a equal to 3 and y-intercept b equal to minus 4. Now we have to find out the sum of the squares of the intercept. Therefore, the sum of squares of the intercepts of equation number 1 is a square plus b square, that is equal to 3 square plus minus 4 whole square. From this, 9 plus 16, then a square plus b square equal to 25. Therefore, the sum of squares of the intercepts of the given straight line equation is equal to 25. This is our required problem solution. Exercise 3b, section 1, problem number 2. If the portion of a straight line intercepted between the axis of coordinates is bisected at 2p, 2q, write the equation of the straight line. This is our given problem. In this problem, we have to find the equation of straight line. For that, we have to given that the intercepted between axes of coordinates is bisected is equal to 2p, 2q. From these, we have to find the intercepts. From that, we have to solve the problem. Solution. Let a, b are the x-intercept and y-intercepts respectively. The required straight line L, which cuts off intercepts A and B on the x-axis and y-axis respectively, meets the x-axis at capital A of A, 0 and the y-axis capital B of 0, B. The equation of straight line in intercept form is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. This is equation number 1. Given that the portion of a required straight line intercepted between the axis of coordinates is bisected at 2p, 2q. That means the midpoint of a and b is equal to 2p, 2q. Then the midpoint of AB equal to 2p, 2q. We know the formula of midpoint, then x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, that is equal to 2p, 2q. Here substitute x1 y1 and x2 y2 values, then a plus 0 by 2, 0 plus b by 2, that is equal to 2p, 2q. From this, a by 2, b by 2 equal to 2p, 2q. If we know any 2 points are equal, then their coordinates are also equal. From that, a by 2 equal to 2p, then a equal to 4p. And similarly, b by 2 equal to 2q from b equal to 4q. Substitute a, b values in equation number 1, we have 1 implies x by 4p plus y by 4q equal to 1. Here take 1 by 4 as common, then 1 by 4 into x by p plus y by q equal to 1. From this, x by p plus y by q equal to 4. Therefore, the required straight line equation is x by p plus y by q equal to 4. This is our given problem solution. Section 1, problem number 3. If the linear equations ax plus by plus c equal to 0, abc is not equal to 0 and lx plus my plus n equal to 0 represents the same line and small r equal to l by a equal to n by c. Write the value of r in terms of m and b. This is our given problem. In this problem, we have to given two lines represents the same lines. Then find the value of small r in terms of m and b. Now we will solve the problem. Solution. Given straight line equations are ax plus by plus c equal to 0, equation number 1, and lx plus my plus n equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Given that equations 1 and 2 represents the same straight lines, we know that the two first degree equations 1 and 2 are represents the same lines if and only if the coefficient terms are in equal ratio. That is, L is to M is to N equal to A is to B is to C. This can be written as L by A equal to M by B equal to N by C. This is equation number 3. Given condition is that small r equal to L by A equal to N by C. This is equation number 4. From equations 3 and 4, we have small r equal to M by B. This is our required problem solution. Section 1, problem number 4. Find the angle made by the straight line y equal to minus root 3x plus 3 with the positive direction of the x-axis measured in the counterclockwise direction. This is our given problem. In this problem, we have to find the angle made by the straight line with the positive direction of x-axis. Now, we will solve the problem. Solution. Given straight line equation is y equal to minus root 3x plus 3. This is equation number 1. Let theta be the angle made by the straight line with positive direction of x-axis. Compare equation number 1 with y equal to mx plus c. Then slope m equal to minus root 3 and c equal to 3. We know that slope equal to tan theta, then tan theta equal to minus root 3. Given that the angle theta is in the positive direction of the x-axis measured in counterclockwise direction, then angle is in the second quadrant. That means theta belongs to Q2. And the angle is in second quadrant, the angle is in the form 90 plus theta or 180 minus theta form. That is, angle theta equal to tan inverse minus root 3. That is, theta equal to pi minus tan inverse root 3 because theta belongs to Q2. Theta equal to pi minus pi by 3 because tan inverse root 3 value is pi by 3. Then after calculation, theta equal to 3 pi minus pi by 3 equal to 2 pi by 3. Therefore, angle theta equal to 2 pi by 3. This is our required problem solution. Section 1, problem number 5. The intercept of a straight line on the axis of coordinates are A and B. If P is the length of the perpendicular drawn from the origin to this line, write the value of P in terms of A and B. This is our given problem. In this problem, we have to given intercepts A and B. By using these values, we will write the straight line equation, that is the intercept form straight line equation. From that intercept form, we will reduce it into general form. Then we will find the perpendicular distance of straight line from the origin, that is P. Now we will solve the problem. Solution. Given that the intercepts of a straight line on the axis of coordinates are A and B, that is x-intercept is A and y-intercept is B, then the straight line equation is x by A plus y by B equal to 1. Now we will turn the above equation into general form. Then we will take as AB as LCM. Then we have BX plus AY by AB equal to 1. From this, BX plus AY equal to AB, take all values in one side, then BX plus AY minus AB equal to 0. This is equation number 2. This is the general form straight line equation. Compare equation number 2 with AX plus BY plus C equal to 0, then A equal to B, B equal to A, C equal to minus AB. Given that small p is the perpendicular distance drawn from the origin to the line. We know that the perpendicular distance of the straight line AX plus BY plus C equal to 0 from the origin is small p equal to mod C by square root of A square plus B square. Here substitute A, B, C values, we have then P equal to modulus minus AB by square root of B square plus A square. From this, P equal to AB by square root of A square plus B square. Therefore, the length of the perpendicular drawn from the origin to the given straight line is P equal to AB by square root of A square plus B square. This is our required problem solution. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.